Okay, let's look at number 3. Number 3, C is between A and E. For each problem, draw a picture representing the 3 points and the information given. Solve for the indicated. So what they are saying, if I drew a picture, C is always between A and E. So here, if I draw a picture here, A and E will be at the end, and C is in the middle. They say AC is 24, CE is 13. Find AE. Well, AE must be 24 plus 13. 24 plus 13 equals 37. So AE must equal 37. Same thing with number 4. AE is at the end. C is in the middle. CE equals 7 and AE equals 23. Wait, AE equals 23. Ooh, okay, so let's erase this. AE is the entire length. So if the whole thing equals 23, then AC must equal 23 minus 7, which equals 16. So AC must equal 16 because this is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. Now number 5. Use the figure to write the segment addition postulate. Write an equation and solve for x. So we just really need to solve for x. So let's see here. We know that AB here must equal 5 and BC is 2x plus 6. And the entire thing here is x plus 10. So if I wrote this down, I know that 5 plus 2x plus 6 must equal x plus 10. Now I'm going to combine like terms. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So 2x plus 11 equal x plus 10. I'm going to subtract x from here and subtract x from here. So then x plus 11 must equal 10. I'm going to subtract 11 here, subtract 11 here. So x must equal negative 1. So that's our answer for the first one. Our second one, 9x plus 7 plus negative 3x. I'm going to put that in parentheses. Plus 20 must equal 39. So then 9x plus negative 3x, which is the same thing as saying 9 minus 3. So 6x, 7 plus 20, that's 27, must equal 39. I'm going to subtract 27 to both sides. 6x must equal, let's see here, 2. 12. Divide both sides by 6. X, then move this down a little bit. X must equal 2. 12 divided by 6 equals 2. So X equals 2. Okay, and that is it.